If the COVID crisis has taught us one thing, the ability of equipment suppliers to provide remote support is now more important than ever. Here at Somex, we have created a library of brief videos to walk our customers step by step through installation, commissioning and operation of their new machine. Once the newly installed machine has been powered on, and with the assistance of your IT department, Somex can connect to the machine directly via VPN or remote communication module. This connection will allow your operators and engineers to tap directly into our expertise at a moment's notice. We've also created a library of video tutorials, for example, how to correctly perform a calibration or how to create a new test profile. Keeping our machines operational is what's most important to you and us. Our engineers are always at the end of a phone or email. QR codes will allow your engineers to directly access our library of work instructions from their mobile phones. These revision control documents, which explain in detail how to perform a specific task, including the tools and any spare parts they'll need. Augmented Reality allows our engineers assist your engineers diagnose a problem. We can provide guidance, share information, and ultimately get you up and running efficiently. To conclude, we have commissioned this brief video just to let you know we are here should you need us. Thank you very much.